face, let the 40 bay, let it
on
bang.
one, on the roof, on
You could
one.
keep the change, you will stay. Look into my eyes, you can see the rage. Grab a blade, let machete swing. Ain't no time to waste. Playing games, I ain't with that shit. Pull up in the whip, let it rip. I don't need the aim, shoot up from the hip. Catch a clip, I don't know no names. Sticking to the script, you a snitch. Don't be saying shit, end up in a ditch. Be afraid, I got demon blood coursing through my veins. Throw a shade, you could die today. Let you fade away, switch your lanes. Smoking different strains, I can't fucking change. I won't chase, I'ma sit away. Better count your days. Remember the days when you told me that I wouldn't make it, and I was done better my ass. Look at me blowing up, doing everything I said I would do, making all of this cash. It's funny how the money makes someone wait.
Mags and bags. Here, try it now. Through your fingers? I'll do it semi through your fingers.
Oh, fuck that.
Yeah, no, put your hand out like that. I'll shoot in between your two fingers.
No, you...
If you just do this, I'll shoot in between them.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
I got you.
I'm good.
You don't trust?
Fuck that, dude. You got some balls. He's playing finger roulette.
That's nuts.
Fucking guy. He's gonna do that one day and clap! And shoot his finger off.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I don't think I've really introduced myself to a lot of you guys. I'm Strange. What up? Today, in this video, you're going to be seeing me use the SSP-28. This was dropped by Novrich not too long ago. A 28 stack mag. I'm not going to be using the mag, though, because I think that's booty cheeks. I'm going to be using HPA mags. M4, like 250 BBs, tracer with this tracer unit, flashlight, strobing motherfuckers, bright as hell. You can see Jesus. But it's three. I don't even know how many people were. They had me swapping back and forth between teams. You know what? You'll see it. We'll just run it. Enjoy the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Even if I don't see it, I'll still try and heart it. It's all right. I'll have people. It's okay. Bye.
Oh, these aren't tracers. I thought they were. Oh well. I'm sorry if that ricocheted and hit you.
No, you're okay.
I'm not using tracers. I thought I was.
You're not?
No, I thought I was.
Alright.
I don't know what I'm using. I don't know what weight. I don't know if they're all the same.
Alright, guys, you four that wall, you guys that wall. Ready?
Guys, we start on the wall.
Ready?
Almost.
Yeah.
Ready.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
I do have tracers. I lied.
No, we're off by one. Swap sides. Say again?
Sorry about actually
Just
shooting.
swap sides.
Sorry about actually shooting you in the dick, though.
You didn't say that.
I did. I did. Yep. Behind that wall. Sorry. That was pre-cum.
5v1.
Person's the last one.
Is upstairs allowed? Ref, is upstairs allowed? Red, is upstairs allowed?
Yes.
There might be someone above us. I heard someone run up there.
Next one over.
Check upstairs.
Next one over. I know where he is.
Take yours too. He was already dead.
Oh, sorry.
We traded.
Sorry.
Game. That's game.
Were you the last one?
Stand, dude. Hey, let me grab my gloves real quick.
He said, I'm tired of those finger shots. I don't blame him.
That was a good one.
If he called it sooner.
And again,
No.
you're gonna be the one I'm gonna be switching because you're just like worth 2 people.
What?
I'm about to say I ain't that good.
No, you're good. Ready? Are you going up? You're good.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You're okay.
You get hit?
We're good.
Oh.
Jesus. They're back. They're back left. Back left! Behind tower 2!
I'll take it if you want.
Two dead! Two dead! Dead! That doesn't make sense. I shot both of them, but he still turned around and shot me.
Oh.
The two in the back. Unless there was a third one. I don't know. What? Was it just you and one person, or you had a third?
I mean, my buddy was by me.
So there was only 2 people. He didn't call it.
He's cheating!
Yeah, there was only 2 people. Just you and that one guy in the back room cubby? Yeah, he turned around, went through the cubby. You know, the little slim shit? Yeah. Right behind the tower.
The guy in the back here probably can talk shit.
Yeah, no.
I had him like 4 times.
Yeah. Same with him too. I think, no, it was a rifle. I think it was him.
Suppressing him, you know?
It was him.
I suppressed this guy.
When you were back there with him, I didn't tag you. I shot you both. I shot you first. Yeah.
When?
When you were back there with...
I was in the
This man.
hallway. I was never with right around.
So there was 2 people outside of that room with you.
There's a little kid and him.
Okay. No, it's got your guy. I was just making...
Yeah.
He's still alive.
I don't know, like when
Maybe, but that doesn't make sense because he was the one. He was the one that I shot with him. I thought the little guy was you.
No, I was like around, like opposite side of the doorway and back.
Yeah.
I was right in the.
I popped both of those 2, and he was there right with me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you start shooting, I tripped backwards and just kept.
Because you were there, that's why I turned around. I did not expect
I
that.
saw him and then I saw you get face. You went right past the kid.
No, I popped you both. I'll show you. So
that's
you
why I
shot
was
the
on
little kid 4 times, and the little kid just went off.
Me?
Yeah, you shot the little kid 4 times.
Okay.
Because you missed your shots on him, so that was the little kid that you hit 4 times.
Yeah, I saw you. I'm like,
The only reason why I missed you is because my gun jammed.
When will the lies end?
Yay! Damn, dude, you're the last one on your team.
Yeah.
Please don't leave me hanging, thank you.
my tracer came on for a second back there.
Oh, you got a 4-grip. I just noticed the 4-grip.
Blue team wins that one. Strange, wherever you're at, switch sides.
Sheesh. Ready? Oh, take tower. Sorry.
Everybody got him. Red team wins that round. Switch sides. Everybody else, switch sides. Score is 3-1.
I'm going middle.
Yeah, just watch out for that dude up on the roof. And if you
Yeah,
get
I
back
will.
this way.
Trust, this is a great spot. I could just stand at that wall if you want.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Ready? Hey, wall. Okay. That guy didn't want to start on that. On one! On the roof! On one! Behind 2! In 4! In 4! In 4! Go! Woo, that was so close! That went right over my shoulder! On top of 4! On top of 4 and in 4! Yeah, buddy! Nice! Thank you! Good call! Good call! Watch that door. Where did our teammate die from? Which way did he come from? Far back? Okay. Woo, 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 woo!
Score is 3-2 red.
Your gun's pissing tracers, bro.
This is pissing chaser?
Yes, dude. Just
right out of the...
Maybe instead of having me swap, maybe I stay with the team with the lower points until they get up and then swap.
So that would be blue right now.
Yeah, let's make a plan.
Whatever you want to do, I can cover you wherever.
I'm thinking maybe like a three squad tries to go on backside.
Push around to there.
A 2-team holds stairs.
Wait! Time out!
If you want to go with him, y'all can hold upstairs. Hey, you two, hold upstairs. Me, him, and him will go.
Which way are we bum rushing? Are we bum rushing left or right? It'd be easier if bum rush
Hey,
right.
it's up to you. Hey, come here. What do you want to do?
I'm going top 1, he's going top 4.
All right, fuck it, man.
We could bum rush either way then. Hey, call out as soon as you get up there.
Yeah, make it
Say,
work.
I'm up.
Mid, because
Say,
we're
I'm
going
up.
to be covered.
When you get up there and you get eyes on range, say, I'm up as loud as you can. We'll know we got eyes and we might be clear to run. It won't be clear, but y'all have to suppress fire.
2, 3, 4, 5.
I got you. We both left.
Oh shit, there's no entrance there.
So one step down on that team, so I need one over here, not you.
Okay.
What are you for? I'll go. Am I going? You go upside. Alright, that works. Do you want to go over there?
Did one person leave over there? Is that why?
Y'all got that?
Huh?
One person left?
Yeah, the little kid, he stepped out.
Me and him, we're going to try and push mid, so we need cover and fire for y'all.
Yeah.
And we're going to wait a couple seconds. We'll just be firing at lane.
Ready? Back there.
I got the left side. Don't worry about it. Hey, let's go. Let's go.
Watch back, hallway. Watch your back.
Hey, knock it off! There's a kid back there!
I'm in danger.
Dead man! You're good. Dead man! Dead man! Someone just got the best kill on me ever.
He did? Fuck yeah.
Oh, it was so good. I had to play dead.
3v2! Oh yeah, you gotta work on it. Let me see that. Few misfires. Okay, I'm just gonna stop touching Glocks today, because me and Glocks...
Yeah, no, it's empty now.
I'm tired of it. That's game?
Was that one?
My bad, bro.
You was you? That poked me in the head?
I just saw
Yeah, it was him. It was him. Ah, it was you.
I heard some footsteps and I went, ooh.
Perfect. Did you shoot? You didn't shoot until after my head fell out of the way. I felt something bonk my ear and I just dropped. And then I heard a shot. I was like, what? I'll put you in a montage. That was good. Funny clips. That's game. That's game.
No one.
Good shit.
You didn't see me working? Alright. No, I told him. Sweet, so now that is... Oh! Blue took the lead. It is 4-3 blue.
It's tied.
Oh, is it tied?
Yeah, remember they were down one? And
Oh
then
yeah,
I
no,
played
you're
blue?
right.
Yeah.
Never mind, it's tied.
It's tied.
Alright, switch sides. The default. Yeah. My fog is
One did.
bad.
-2, but I'm just
If you
breathing
guys
through it.
want, we can just call this right here and then take 10.
Call it a draw.
Next game. What are we doing?
I have
Sit
to.
out. A few people are default.
I ain't
so
sitting out, though.
Figure we can just end it here and then wait for next game.
Okay, I'll reload.
I'm down for just next game.
All
yeah.
right, mags and bags. Here, try it now.
Through your fingers? I'll do it semi through your fingers.
Oh, fuck that.
Yeah, no, put your hand out like that. I'll shoot in between your two fingers.
No, you-
If you just do this, I'll shoot in between them.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
I got you.
I'm good.
You don't trust?
Fuck that, dude. You got some balls. He's playing finger roulette.
That's nuts.
Fucking guy. He's gonna do that one day. Clap! There goes finger off.
semi. Have you seen my 18 wheeler? I can't find my big rig.
Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something,
That's
man.
what's gonna happen when you get old like me.